everyone and welcome back to Look Fantastic's channel. Before we get any further with the video, please pause it now, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Look Fantastic's channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when Look Fantastic upload. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a mini egg inspired Easter nail design. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking an orange wood stick. I will be using the Mylee gel polish kit today. So this comes in the kit, so I'm going to be taking this, just gently pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm going to take the crystal nail file and just file around the edges and shape up my nails. For the purpose of this video, I have actually applied some gel extensions, just because my natural nails weren't quite long enough for this design that I wanted to do. But everything I'm doing, I would do if it was natural nails as well. I only do one slight different thing and I will talk you through that when it comes to it. So once I've shaped the nails, I'm then going to take the buffing block that comes in the kit, buff it over the nails, and I'm going to remove all the shine from the natural nails, or else if you leave shine on the nail, you're going to get lifting from your gel polish. So make sure all that is gone. Then I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and take some of the prep and polish wipe and just apply a small amount to the lint-free pad and just wipe over and make sure there's no oils left on the nail and no dust. So I'm going to be using the My Gel polishes by Mylee. Because I've got gel extensions on my nails, I don't need to use a base coat, but if I didn't have gel on my nails and I was just doing it on my natural nails, then I would go in first here with the My Gel base coat. So if you're doing it on natural nails, make sure you go in here first before you apply your polish with the base coat. Because I'm doing it on top of gel, I am going to go straight in with the colours and not use base coat. So on the pinky, I've gone in with Strawberry Milkshake, which is a beautiful pink, and applied that thin to the whole nail. Then I am taking Once in a Blue Moon, which is this beautiful powder blue colour, and again just covering the entire nail, a nice thin even coat. Then I'm going to be taking Mint Leaf, which is a beautiful mint colour. These colours are so perfect for Easter and also summer as well. They're absolutely stunning. Love them. So again, working nice and thin, nice even coats. And then on to the index finger. And I am going in with this beautiful yellow, and this is called Twist and Shine. And these polishes are so pigmented as well. They're really nice to work with. They will all be available on the Look Fantastic website. They're really affordable as well. And then on the thumb, I'm going in with Peach Perfect, which is this beautiful peach colour. Again, working nice and thin, applying it to the whole nail, and then I'm going to cure this in my Mylee Pro lamp, which is an LED lamp, so I'm curing it for 1 minute. If it was UV, I would cure for 2 minutes. And this lamp is beautiful as well, so easy to use. Then I'm going to go in with a second coat of each colour, making sure that I've got the coverage that I want. Then once I've applied this coat, I will go ahead and cure again for 1 minute. If you're using a UV lamp, you need to cure for 2 minutes. This is what the nails look like so far, so I'm going to cure those for 1 minute. Then I'm going to take Stalker, which is a pure black nail polish, and I'm using this old nail art brush, and I've just pulled down the bristles to make them sort of spike it out a little bit. I've applied some of the Stalker onto a nail art plate. You can put it on tin foil, and just lightly dip my bristles into that gel polish. And as you can see here, I'm just lightly dabbing it onto the nail. And I'm going to do the same on all of the nails, really, really light touching. The lighter you press, the smaller you're going to get your little speckles, and the harder you press, the bigger they're going to be. And I just do this to all of the nails until I'm happy, and then again I'm going to cure for 1 minute in my LED lamp, 2 minutes UV. So this is what they look like before any top coat is applied. So now I'm going to go in, once they are fully cured, I'm going to go in with the matte top coat, and I'm applying that to all of the nails. And again, I'm going to cure this for 1 minute LED, 2 minutes in UV. You don't have to do it in matte, you can do them shiny if you want them shiny, it's completely up to you. But I really wanted to try and make them look like mini eggs as much as I could. So as I said, applying it to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 1 minute LED, 2 minutes in UV. Then once they're cured, I'm just wiping over with a bit of the Prep and Shine, just to get rid of any tacky layer. And then I'm going to go in with the nail and cuticle oil, apply that to my cuticles, rub it in, and that is it. So it's a really easy tutorial for you today, guys, and it is so easy to do. And look how cute they turned out. Almost want to eat them. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Look Fantastic's channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when Look Fantastic next upload. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.